ako, trying my best not to miss my parents. Pag kasi nakikita ko yung picture, parang
Kumain ba si Pepe? Iwanan na meron?
yun.
Sino yun?
Hindi ko masyado tinitig. Hirapan kayo.
Sino ba naman sa'yo? Hindi ko kasi alam eh. Kaya nga. I don't know. It's... I mean,
Ayoko na itong touch na.
nag-overthink na ngayon.
Hindi lang yan, tsaka ang hirap. Oo, yun eh. Yun hindi mo naman dapat isipin.
It's the type of stuff you think about before going to sleep.
Yeah.
And when it's in the middle of the day.
Andre,
Daling mo yung tayo.
Just thinking,
that's si Kento.
anything that comes to mind.
Kaya di naman related, naisip mo, may nagawa kaya ako. Mahanapin ko na sa akin. Yun.
Parang normal lang naman yung video if there is one done. Just
Yeah,
careful.
but like,
She's on her period. Oh no, about that period. That's it.
No, I know it's not.
Oh, but she was crying after. I mean, she was crying also after it became more sensitive.
Yeah.
Parang sa mga nag-act up nga, parang ayoko na lumapit. Takot ako.
Hirap din namin kasi hindi namin alam nang iniisip niyo. And it's just so quiet.
Yes.
So parang it makes us sleepy, it makes us think also.
Tapos, feeling ko pabigat. Hindi sila makakain. Pinapakain nila tayo. Mga ibang gagawin.
Sabi ko, hirap maging parents. Yun lang talaga.
Hirap.
I said, sabi ko kanya, after this, I'm really gonna hug my mom. I'm not gonna let go. I'm just gonna stay by her side.
Pati daw wala pang palit. Ano niya na? Palit tayo pero.
Oh ma. Ang hirap.
Mahirap din maging baby na may utak na.
Yun yung
May muwang
pinag-usapan
na.
namin. It's so hard for you because alam nyo eh.
Babies don't overthink.
Yeah, they don't overthink. They don't have any thoughts. So parang yun, silent kayo. What are you gonna do with that?
I was laughing at Kai because she was doing her
Yeah.
eyebrows and stuff. I was like, what kind of baby does that?
And he's like, matapos.
Weekly task to eh.
Pero hindi siya weekly talks. Or wala pang sinasabi. Malalaman
Ano
na.
yung basa ko sa ano eh? Sa papel.
Yung patience. Ano.
Feeling ko may number of na kailangan mabit. Kasi makarami na.
Dami nating bayan.
Dami natin doon.
Pero ang worried ako, is it a group violation? Or is it a... Kasi si Therese ang dami violation. So di nakatatlo siya. Yesterday also ang dami.
Feeling ko pwedeng hindi mo siya na-eng sa ano.
No.
Kasi baby eh.
It's really.
To cover the face.
I'm really
Since yesterday.
So
And I'm not talking.
Hindi nga naman nagsasalita ako, kampante ako rin na wala akong ano kanina. Yung ano lang.
Yung kay Therese ma-violate siya kasi she's...
She's.
Parang siyang charades. And then parang siyang mag-aano ng word with the half. Kaya kasi when you, it's baby talk. It's like,
Yeah, exactly. Because that's allowed.
Yeah.
Like, we.
yeah.
Something like that.
Ano pag mga baby talks out there.
Yung ano.
We had just said that as long as it's not like a proper sentence, or it's just baby words, and it's okay. You don't get violations for that.
Tsaka yung mata-mata. Ginagamitan ko na nga lang ng mata. Ganun lang.
Hirap.
Mahirap.
Hirap yung sa inyo, because you can't talk, you're just there, crawling.
Actually, mahirap lahat. Pati kayo, babasahin nyo kung anong inisip namin. Diba? Tapos kayo lang lahat gagawa niya. Ako lang. Wala kami natin.
Saan ba sinusunod?
Try mo lahat.
4 week. That's only Tuesday.
Sheesh!
Gulat ako kanina. Kasi I forgot about it. You were there, we were here. Kasi biglang umiyak yung baby.
Ako nakaupo na ako na.
And sabi ko, oh my gosh.
At that point, I wasn't even like excited.
You were all excited pa. Alam mo, nalalaman namin na hindi na kayo masaya. Because the boys weren't happy anymore. Hindi na kayo makulit. Makulit ka lang pag babatuhan kayo ni Feliz. Pero wala, nakagano na kayo. Yung mga girls na lang yung nagkukulitan.
Hindi na ako natutuwa.
So sabi namin yung mga boys, tulad na sila. Kaya behave na. Pag tinanong kami kaya, sinong most behave sa kanila? Tinanong ko lahat kami na.
Nasa isip ko na lang ako kasi kaya ako natatapos.